Welcome to this workshop. So this workshop is all about adding a review block. So review blocks allow you to drive more traffic into your courses because people have written lovely reviews for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a review block inside a course. So we can, as we're logged in, we can write reviews and we can put them in. So you need to remember that you need to be logged in as a student to be able to do this. So I always open an incognito window and I log in as a student in incognito mode. You can see I'm logged in. This is a student, this is not admin. Okay, so let's put our block into one of the pages. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into the intermediate guide to Zenler. So this is my course access page. Let me just go back out and start from the scratch. Okay, let's do it. So we're going to go in courses. I'm going to go to intermediate guide for Zenler. I'm going to click the pages and I'm going to put it into the sales page. Actually, I'm going to put it into the course access page. And we can add it in two places. So I'm going to first of all put it into the sales page. This is for people that come and visit the site. Now remember, if you are bought the course, you're not going to see the sales page anymore. You're just going to go straight through to the course access page. But for people that have just come to the site, they want to read good reviews about the course. So we're going to put it in two places. So it will show here in the sales page, but they'll actually be filling it out on the course access page. So let's go down here now and drop this in. So I'm going to go down to the bottom here and I'm just going to drop the block in here. We're going to go to courses and we're going to go down to the bottom. Here's reviews. I'm going to drop that in there. Now at the moment you're going to see add review now, but we haven't got any reviews in there. So I'm going to save that off and now I'm going to jump into the course access page and we're going to drop another review block in there. And you'll see why in a minute, because I'm logged in and I'm registered on this course. This is the page that I see as a logged in student. Okay, let's go and do it here. So we're going to do exactly the same. Going to come down here to courses, going to drop down here, grab our review block. There, we put it in there. We're going to save. Okay, great. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump across to my incognito page here. And I'm logged in as a student, not admin, as a student. I'm going to go to my courses or your courses. I'm going to click intermediate guide for Zenler and down the bottom I've got this ability to add a review. So I'm going to click in there and I'm then going to be able to add a review. So I'm going to give it 5 stars. I'm going to call it this is really cool. So there we go. I've just written a little review there and I'm going to click save changes. Now you're going to see that it says review is awaiting approval. So if I jump back into my admin now, back into here, and I go and see the review, go to courses and then reviews and click this, you're going to see that you have a review, one review. So you can go here and you can view the details, and if you like it, you can click approve. As soon as you hit approve, that is then going to go on to your page. So let's go into incognito again and have a look. So going to jump back to incognito. I'm going to hit the refresh button. Now you can see our review has appeared in here. But not only that, if I log out and go into that course, it's going to appear on that first sales page as well, which is where we want it. So I'm going to jump into this now and come down the bottom. And you're going to see there it is there as well. So it actually gets piped through because it's in that course. So that is how review blocks work. Now if I'd have just put it into the course access page, people have already bought the course and it's kind of a moot point getting a review from them because they've already bought it. Because remember, the course access page is private. However, you do want people to be able to put a review when they've taken the course. So that is a good place to put it, the course access page. So we need to remember also, new people that are coming in, you want them to see this review. So you're going to put it inside the sales page. This is a page that if you're not logged in, you can always get to. So if someone sees your course and goes, oh, I really like that course, let's have a look at it. they come into the sales page before they've bought the course, and then they see these lovely reviews down the bottom. And remember, this review has been generated in the course access page. So that's how reviews work.